Hello and welcome back. In this video, the Echo Delay plugin. The Faust language has a delay primitive that applies delay at sample level. The add operator. A delay of 10 samples isn't noticeable. 48,000 is more proximate to 1 second. When the play button is pressed, the audio begins playing after a 1-second delay. Similarly, when the pause button is pressed, the audio continues for 1 second before stopping. And of course, we can add a slider to control it. The delay function in the standard library works similarly to the add operator but includes a bounding mechanism. This ensures successful compilation even if the compiler cannot compute the interval of D by explicitly constraining D within a valid range, thus avoiding potential errors from undefined or out-of-bound values. And use it. Now blend it with the original sound. The recursive operator introduces a 1-sample delay to the signal. This operator causes the signal to be fed back recursively, which can result in the accumulation of signals that exceed the typical bounds of the digital domain. To address this issue, a feedback loop must be controlled to prevent runaway feedback. Let's apply a scaling factor to the delayed signal, ensuring that the feedback remains stable. This is done by multiplying the delayed signal by a factor less than 1. Now, to control the delay in seconds, let's change the SAMP slider to bound values between 0 and 1. Multiplying by 48,000 converts the delay time from seconds to samples, assuming a sample rate of 48,000 Hz. With this, let's define a function echo. We can play, but clicks are heard when moving the slider. To smooth it, we can use the si.smooth from the standard library. Now, a user interface design outline. Something seems off here. It looks great. Let's see the plugin in a DAW environment. Since the plugin doesn't has dry-wet control, let's do a dry-wet effect rack trick. What about automation? Here's the final result. Make sure to subscribe and like.